Hey guys, today we'll be working on another TryHackMe challenge, and in this challenge, lots of things were involved: port knocking, one binary file, Docker machine along with the parent machine, and uh, let's start it. So the challenge is cat pictures. I made a forum where you can post cute cat pictures. So, and it just says deploy the machine and find the flag. So flag one and the root flag which we need to find out. So let's jump in. So the IP address is for nmap um, sc-sv is 10.10 um, 32.46, and let's wait for nmap scan to finish, and let's see if we can access some web page. Looks like there is nothing hosted on port 80 or port 443 as well. So let's wait. I'm pausing a video for a quick second. So scan is finished. We can see 21 port is filtered, FTP, and then 22 SSH is open. Then there are no other ports. So we need to quickly run for the full port scan. Again, this will take some time, so I'm directly jumping to one of the port which I know it will come up here. So that port is 5000, no, 8080, I guess. Let me check. Yes, it should be 8080. Buff is off. And map scan will also take a lot of time, or maybe there is a problem with my connection. Yep. um, no, internet is on. Okay, fix the VPN now. Starting the port scan again, and port 8080 close. And this is forum page created on PHP BB software. And meanwhile, let's check the PHP BB version. So this is the PHP BB software, forum software, and we can see there is only one post and topic which says post cat pictures here, and there is total one topic, 1.1 member. So there is only one user with the name called user, and we don't see version in the header. And there is a hint available: knock knock magic numbers 111 222 333 444. So knock knock um, is a hint for port knocking. And before leaving this forum, let's check if we can check the version. Change locally. So There is one URL I need to check in that you could find in some of their support forum, using which we can see the PHP BB version probably. Let me try something like uh, docs, uh, change log.html. The requested page could not be found, um, or probably style config PHP BB version style config. Uh, I'm trying to find one URL which was there in the previous version, using which we can check the installed version. Um, Not sure if they have removed it in the newer version, so it tells you the version in the admin panel stat box and also in styles style config file. So yes, so stable PHP version 3.3.3, which is installed, and copyright says 2007. Stable PHP version, PHP PP version. So the latest is 3.3 and install is 3.3. So there should not be any known vulnerability. So uh, the software is pretty recent one. So we cannot go by some um, go into this machine by using some PHP vulnerability. So next thing is knock knock matching numbers, and um, there is a technique for port knocking. So I believe there is a um, binary called knock. Uh, Knock is not installed. Knock D. We can install this binary, and the syntax is pretty simple. Just knock and put the IP address and all the ports. The other method is to um, use NC command uh, in loop, for example, for port in 111, 222, 3333, 4444, and do netcat vz and the target IP address 10.10.32.46, then dollar port, and done. So connection refused, and the previous nmap scan is still running. I'm not sure if this will create some conflict in this port knocking, because the port knocking should be in continuous manner in this series. So let's check if we are able to access the FTP now. 10.10.32.46 connection refused. So port knocking has not worked because this nmap scan is still going on and it has intervened into our port knocking. Not sure why this is taking so long. So I'm canceling it now, and I'm just showing you the nmap uh, log, nmap.log ls. No, it is not here. Just copy it here again. So cat nmap.log. So in the full nmap scan, you will find, I'm sorry, the port 8080, 4420, and one Docker port, and then 21 port, obviously in the filter state. So just trying to do port knocking again, and if we run nmap uh, sudo nmap and just with port 21, it is now saying open. So earlier it was filtered, after port knocking it is saying open. So previously the full nmap scan created conflict with our port knocking, and that's why it was not, the FTP was not working. Now we can connect anonymous, and login is successful. And let's see, lsla. So there is a file called not.txt. Let's grab this note and let's see what is written inside this file. Exit ls not.txt. So let's check the content of not.txt. It says, in case I forgot my password, I am leaving a pointer to the internet shell service on the server. Connect to port 4420, and the password is this. I have masked the password for this video. The port is 4420, and we can see there's a port 4420 open on the server. So let's check. So internal shell service on service running on the server. Although it should not be useful to access this service on the browser, but let's see what it is saying. So it says internal shell service, and please note cd commands do not work at the moment. Developer are fixing. Do not control C. Please enter your password. Invalid password connection closed. Okay, so let's use netcat 10.10 1 32.46 and port 4420. Enter the password. So the password which I got from the note is this, and it says password accepted. uh, Clear will not work. So what all things we can run here? So ls pwd host name id. So very limited commands are there. So let's see some home directories or users. So there is a user called cat lover run me. Okay, cat lover slash run me. This executable does not work under the internal shell. You need a regular shell. So let's go to pen test monkey reverse shell, and let's grab one of them. uh, bash. So this is, this will use bash. Can we run bash? I broke this one. Control C. Bash will not work probably. So let's try with this one. Uh, from here, copy, paste, and then the IP address 10.8.21.57 port 1234 net connect 1234 and then um, rest of the things 10.8.21.57 and enter, and we got the shell. So okay, ID is not found. PWD host name not found. Okay, Python 3. So we can't upgrade our shell, but that's fine. Let's run the runme file. So home cat lover runme not found. Please enter your password. So if I enter the previous password, access denied. One more time, access denied. So this thing is not working. So probably what we might need to do is, let me clear the screen first, and then can we check the content of this file? No. So we might need to transfer this file to our machine so that we can check the content of the file. So let's transfer the file. So I need one more window here. Probably let's open it here. NC -lp and 4444, and let's out file run me, and on this box NC w3 10.8.21.57 4444, and the file is runme. Received. So let's check runme strings runme, and then yes. So in this file, if we scroll down, we can see please enter your password, welcome SSH key transfer queued. Okay, and in the file touch temp this file. So and just above this line there is one more string available, which could be the password. So you can grab that and use as a password. So I'm going to run this again. Run me dot slash run me password and paste. It says welcome cat lover SSH key transfer queued. So let's clear the screen again and let's check slash temp file, and we can see file is created slash temp, it is with the 0 size, and the file is f. What about this one? ls. Oh, okay. So in the home directory, the file is created, the id underscore rsa. Probably this is just an extra file just to distract us. So uh, id underscore rsa. So cat underscore id underscore rsa. Let's copy the rsa file, and down here, let's create the id underscore rsa paste, and let's try to uh, use this id underscore rsa file, and the user is cat lover. Who am I? Oh god. So pwd cat lover. Yes, cat lover at, what was the ip address? 10.10 dot, let me check, 10.10.32.46. Looks like we are in. So no. Okay, chmod 600 idrsa. Let's run it again. It is taking some time. Why? Okay, still stuck. Let me check the VPN quickly. Looks fine. Let's probably reconnect. And I think now it's good. So yeah, so we are root on this box. But guys, remember that the nmap scan told us that there is a Docker service also running. So probably we are either we are inside the Docker, or we are in the host machine. In any case, let's see what we got here. So ls minus l pwd, we are at root, and from here onwards we need to find the way to escalate the privilege, or check the enumerate the machine, not escalate the privilege. We are already root in this box. So in the process of enumerating the machine using linpiece or any other script, you will find that some script is running under temp. No, what was that? So let me check in the log which I saved during. Okay, I can quit from here now, and even from here, Control C. Okay, so the logs was cat logs. Okay, so this will come up in linp scan. So it shows one uh, folder which is coming from the on the host machine. So we are on the Docker machine, and this folder is coming from the host machine, and one script is also running, for which you will find reference in the linpiece section. So let's see what is hosted in this folder. clean.sh slash clean.sh cat, and we can see that it is just clearing the temp file. So here we can put our syntax for receiving the reverse shell again. So enter, and let's go back to pentest monkey, and the very first syntax is this 10.8.21.57 and /1234, control X, save. And I have not started the netcat session. Now it is on, so let's wait. Okay, we got the shell, and here we can check the host name was this, and on this machine obviously it is visible, and the host name is cat-pictures. And regarding the flag, and we are already root here, right? Yeah. And regarding the flag, one flag is inside root folder, wc /root /flag.txt on the Docker machine, and the another one is inside host machine root.txt. Okay, we can read it, root.txt. Indeed, we can read it. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Couple of things were there, like Docker machine and the small binary thing from which we had to grab the password, and then the understanding and little focus on the logs, the humongous logs of linpiece and others enumeration script, that there is some folder which is common among this Docker and the host um, machine, and there is a script running. So this was the only way, and probably there were a couple of distractions, like one folder uh, on the machine previously, this one. So in the temp folder, uh, give me the SSH key. This is kind of rabbit hole or a distraction, and one of the distraction was the PHP form. So there was no need to set up this form, but um, based on the version detail, we could easily guess that there is no publicly known exploit vulnerability which we can exploit. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, please subscribe and like, and leave the comments if you have some suggestion, or you want to say something, or just want to say hi. Okay, enjoy guys, have a great day, bye bye.